Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Das. Today I will show you the process of placing structural member based on the point cloud. Previously I prepared a Revit file with the point cloud, specific level and view range on it. Now I will show you the modeling part only. Let's start the modeling part. To start the model, I will open the file. Then I will go to the specific floor plan. In this case, I will use the SP roof level. To prepare the model, I will draw a reference line first. RP is the shortcut for the reference line. I will place one end here, and to place the second point you need to press your tab key again and again to get the perfect position. Sometimes it is very hard to place the section line parallel to the exact member of the cloud. The reference line will help us to place the section line perfectly. After placing the reference line, I will draw a section. When the section line is perfectly parallel to the reference line, both will be highlighted so you can easily understand the point. Now I will set the reference section line view. You can use this fur clip, set the fur clip offset by using this drag point here like this, or you can update it from here also in the property box. I also need to place a cross section to get the exact dimension of the member. I will set the fur clip offset here for the cross section. Now go to view and you can see your cross section of the member, and from the long section you can see it here. Now I need to select the perfect structural member. For this project I will use the timber framing, as the existing structure is timber based. To select the member, I will go to structure, beam, load family, then the UK standard, structural framing, wood, then timber. In specify types window, I will select any type of the member and place it on the project like this. The member is on in our project now. After placing it, I will adjust the position and update it as per point cloud set. Now I will go to the section view. You can see it here. The member is placed here. I will move it to upside to place in the position. To move it, you can update it here also in level offset, or you can update it here directly. You can adjust this. This is called Z justification of the member. You can adjust it in geometric position tab also. Here, this is the Z justification tab point. I will use the top justification in our model. Now I will place it in the position like this. This is 205 and this will be the higher. Now it is approximately placed in the position. Now to update the cross section, I will go to the cross sectional view and check the exact size. To update the exact size, I will go to edit type, then duplicate, then I will rename it as per my size and update it here. We need to duplicate the member as it is a system family and it may require in other places also. After matching the size, I will align it again with the reference line to place it exactly, and I will check it again to our cloud if there is any mismatch or not. I think there is a mismatch like this. The size will be higher, so I will made it 110 and align it again. Now I will go to the section. It looks perfect, matched with the cloud, the height of the member, and next is the cross section. I will check it in cross section again. Yes, the height is okay. Now finally I will check it in 3D view also if there is any issues. In 3D, yes, yes, it looks perfect. We can use it in our model. So our model is ready. So in this way I have to place all the items, all the structural members here to complete this part, and the final model, then the final model will be ready and it will look like this.